Hey guys, this is Abby, Physical Site Co-Director for CCAT, and today we're going to be learning how to make a tincture from flowers and plants in the garden. So to make a tincture, here are the supplies you will need. A clean mason jar and tight-fitting lid, flowers from the garden, an alcohol of some sort. Typically it will be brandy or vodka. And additionally, you can also add a sweetening agent, and in this tincture we will be using black elderberry syrup. So these are the plants and flowers that we will be using for our tincture today. They are all immune boosting. This one is called nasturtium, and this one is called borage. This one is feverfew, which commonly looks like a daisy, but these are how the leaves look. This one is called achillea or yarrow. And lastly, we have some dandelion root that was freshly harvested out of CCAT and let out to dry in the sun for about 40-50 minutes. So now that we stuffed our flowers into our jar, we're going to add our alcohol. And the reason we use alcohol for tinctures is to draw out all of the medicinal properties in the plants. So just like that, you're gonna fill up your jar with your alcohol. And if you are adding a sweetening agent, you do want to leave some room. So I left some room, but you typically want to go to about here if you're not adding a sweetening agent. And just a little drizzle of that. So after you've got the right amount of liquid in there, up to about here, you're just going to seal off your jar nice and tight. And there's your tincture. So what you're going to want to do once you have it sealed is you're going to put it into a dark area, like a cabinet, room temperature space, and you're going to keep it there for about 3 months. Once it has been sitting for 3 months, I recommend putting it into a dropper vial of sorts, and then you can use it from then on there, straining it first, of course. And yeah, just a dropper full a day will help keep any sickness away. Thank you so much for tuning in to How to Make a Tincture with CCAT.